Okay, in this video I want to show you how the kilowatt hour is related to the joule. Remember, they're both units for measuring energy. And if you just walk through the units, you can easily see the relationship. This is a case of when the units should be your friend. Alright, so let's say we take 1 kilowatt hour, and remember, a watt is the same as a joule per second. So that's 1 kilojoule per second times an hour. I'm just inserting the definition of a watt. And then I'm going to take out this kilo. So that's 1 kilo is 1,000. So we're talking about 1,000 joules per second. And instead of hour, I want to change, this is 1 hour, right? Instead of 1 hour, I want to change it to seconds. And if you think about it, you know there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. There's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Minutes cancel, so there's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So instead of having 1 hour here, I'm going to write 3,600 seconds. So do you see what happened to the units now? The seconds are cancel, and all I'm left with is a joule. Multiply these two numbers together, and you get 3,600,000 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is the same as 3,600,000 joules. If you want to move the decimal place, you can see it's 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules. 10 to the 6 is mega, so this is 3.6 megajoules. So 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to, 1 kilowatt hour of energy is equivalent to 3.6 megajoules of energy. So now that we have that relationship, I want to show you how it's related to the other units. So we're relating 1 kilowatt hour, and we're going to show how its equivalency to other units. Okay, so we just established that 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules is the same as 1 kilowatt. Well, let's convert this to calories. You know that you can cancel out calories and convert it to you can cancel out joules and convert it to calories if you use this relationship. 1 calorie is the same as 4.186 joules. So joules cancel, divide this number, divide 3.6 times 10 to the 6, divide by 4.186, and you come out with 860,000 calories. So that's the same as a kilowatt hour. Move the decimal place 3 spaces because the little calorie is related to the big calorie. 860 big calories. So both of these are equal to a kilowatt hour. We could also relate it to the BTU. Remember we know 1 BTU is the same as 1,055 joules. So if we use this relationship, we can convert joules to BTUs. So our same 3.6 times 10 to the 6 joules. I want joules to cancel out, so I'll put it in the denominator, and I want BTUs on top. Put the correct numbers in. 1 BTU is 1,055 joules. Divide this number by that one, and you come out with 3,412 BTUs. So there you have it. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to all of these things. A kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 megajoules. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 860,000 lowercase calories, or 860 capital calories, or 3,412 BTUs. Now that you know all these relationships, you can do any sort of conversions with any sort of problems. And if you have a sheet like this that keeps all the relationships straight, you can do any kind of conversions.